Hey guys, quick video here showing the new AI product photography studio feature in Boardroom. So I'm logged into my little demo account here, and easiest way to access this feature is just through the quick links section here, where you can see the new product photos option. You can also find this in the menu under SEO and AI. You'll find that product images icon right there. I'll just click product photos here and it'll take me to the new feature. And so this is super cool. It's a way that you can take any product image. So you could take an image with anything in the background. It could be totally white, or it could be a lifestyle photo, whatever it is. You don't have to remove the background of the photo before you use the feature. The feature will do that for you, and it will replace the background with something new, all totally created by AI. And we have lots of different templates and the ability to enter custom prompts as well for what that background should be. So let me just show you how this works. First step is to start with a product image. So you can upload something from your computer here, or if you have your Shopify store connected to Boardroom, which you probably do, you can just click this little bubble there from product page, and you can search for any product on your store. I'm just going to pick one here. Actually, let's do a different one. There we go. So these are this is a snowboard product here, and you get a little preview of the original image there. Now, if I scroll down, I can see the background section here. We have templates. We have basic templates and advanced templates, or you can type in your own custom prompt, and we give you a little example here of what a prompt might look like, but you can kind of go crazy with it and experiment and have fun. There are no limits to the number of images that you can generate here in your account, so really get after it and have fun with this thing. I'm going to go with one of the templates for this particular product. We have them kind of divided into categories here, as you can see. For this snowboard, I'm thinking snow-capped mountains makes sense. Then we have padding here. Padding, as this little tooltip will tell you, is refers to the space on the edges of the image. So the bigger you make this padding value, the smaller your product is going to be, the bigger the space between it and the edge. So if you want to really emphasize the background for some reason, you would make this value bigger. We have a default value for each template based on our testing of these prompts. So for this template, the value is 15, but you could very easily change that however you'd like. I'm going to keep it at 15, and I'm just going to click generate now. Doesn't take very long. There we go. So it's taken that snowboard product. It has removed the white background in this case, and it's put it on a mountainside with some snow-capped mountains there in the background. I can easily copy this to my clipboard, save it to my desktop, delete it if I don't like it. And this is really cool. I can publish this to my product page. So there's the product that I started with there. I can set it as the main image, or I can uncheck that and it will just put it at the back of the catalog of images. And I can click publish. And I can see that the result here is saved in this results section, and I can see all of my previously created images here, and I have those same options here as well. So I think that's really it, other than just kind of playing around with some of the other features like advanced templates. You can choose kind of two elements, like a primary feature or the surface that the product is sitting on, and then maybe something about the background here. So you can kind of combine two elements to make your own template. Or again, you can really get crazy with the custom prompts here and just experiment with it. If you don't like the first image of a given template, just generate again, and it will be totally unique every single time. As you guys know, if you've played around with AI, that's kind of how it works. And so, yeah, I think that's pretty much it for this little quick tutorial. I'll make a more detailed video about this for our YouTube channel, but hopefully this is enough to get you guys started. Thanks for watching.